Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. Friends, as far as we are concerned with this video, then I'm again here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful and very easy to make, easy hand embroidery face mask design ideas. Friends, these are 3 layers, very beautiful with inner filter pocket masks, and at the same time they give a very beautiful and classic representation of very beautiful and very easy hand embroidery patterns. The purpose of this video is to give you some very beautiful and creative artistic design ideas that how you can easily make embroidery masks at your home by utilizing your leisure time or free time. Friends, very easy hand embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, forward stitch, chain stitch, stem stitch, French knot, fly stitch have been used to make these masks. So if you know any of these stitches, your task becomes very easy and very comfortable, because you can make very easily the entire classic embroidery patterns. Friends, now let's move further to the details. That very beautiful and charismatic Christmas inspired embroidery designs have also been shared in this video. The main purpose and the basic purpose of this video is to share some very creative and easy ideas so that to keep yourself protected, and at the same time you could remain chic, classy and stylish in your dress codes as well. Because friends, as you know that coronavirus is a very dangerous and pandemic situation, and it has affected the whole community as well. So we are very choosy to select our dresses, but at the same time we need to take care of our health, and wearing mask while going out is the first and the most important precautionary step you should take. So when we talk about masks, we don't like these dull, dry, simple and boring masks. So with the touch of very beautiful and very delicate hand embroidery patterns, your designing becomes more beautiful, classy and you look interesting. So I suggest you to must try these patterns so that you could get very stylish ideas. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new or haven't subscribed my channel yet, because on my channel you can get all sort of amazing classy ideas related to women fashion, like hand embroidery design ideas, silk ribbon embroidery, crochet design ideas, gota work, mirror work, wedding dresses, western dresses, Asian dresses, Arabic dresses, footwear, handbags and much more related to girls fashionable accessories. So stay tuned, stay connected, keep watching my content, keep supporting us as you always have been. Thank you. We will soon be back with you along with some new designs and creative ideas. Up till then, take care.